Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
तळ्यात सिवरेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांटाचे उदक सोडटात ताका लागून तळ्यातले उदक प्रदूषित जावपाची शक्यताय आसा. हे विशीं कोर्टान सिवरेज महामंडळाकूय अहवाल सादर करपाक सांगलो.
In Mala Lake, the court has now taken further suo motu cognizance of the pollution in river Mandavi. So the scope of that petition has been extended as far as pollution in Mandavi river is concerned. There is a report which is produced before the court as far as Mala Lake is concerned. Further, there are reports which are produced on record as regards pollution in Mandavi river. So the court is going to look into the entire issue of pollution in river Mandavi also.
What is the direction to the PCB?
Insofar as PCB is concerned, they are supposed to monitor it, they are supposed to inspect and prepare further reports. In any case, PCB actually carries out this inspection every 3 months. So that is something that is new. So that procedure will go on. Sewerage corporation to file a report or give some report as to what is the impact or the pollution or the level of pollution in the water that is discharged from the sewage treatment plant in Mala itself.
दुसऱ्या वटेन मळ्यातली कांय घरां तळ्यात सिवरेज सोडटात असो सीसीपीक दुबाव आसा. सीसीपीन ह्या नादी कांय घरांक शो कॉज नोटीसी इश्यू केल्यात.
But they are carrying out inspection and prima facie they have told the court about 31 houses are releasing their sewage into the rainstorm water which may go into the Mala Lake and which may cause pollution. So they are supposed to inspect and they are supposed to issue show cause notice and pass appropriate orders insofar as those structures are concerned.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.